So, hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have brought a very nice tricky question of geometry from one of the Olympiads. And I would request you to first of all give it a try yourself. And the question is quite simple. We are given a triangle ABC which has an altitude AD and BC is the base. It measures 16 and E is the midpoint of BD and F is the midpoint of AC. So just pause the video for a while and give it a try yourself and think of a solution which you can come up with. And in the end, I will give you the complete solution. So keep watching. Okay, I hope you would have given a try to a question, but you might be thinking how to start with, how to approach with. Then let me give you one more hint. You will need two concepts for solving this question, and those concepts are similarity of triangles. To be exact, you need the midpoint theorem, and the second concept is Pythagoras theorem. If you know these two concepts, then you will be definitely able to solve the question. Okay, so yeah, give it a try if you want again, or I will move to the solution and let's see how to solve this question. Okay, so first of all, we can easily see that in the question it has given that E is the midpoint of BD, right? So let's mark it as X, and this one will be also equal one. I think there is some issue with it. So these two are equal. Now if we go, now here we have AS and FC equal, since SF is the midpoint of AC. And here at AD, we have a right angle because we know that AD is an altitude of triangle ABC. Now, we need to make a small construction here. Now, one more thing, we said that BE is equal to ED, right? Okay, let's do one thing here. We can just say simply that if BE is, if our BE is X, right, then ED will also be X. Sounds good till here? Now, if we move ahead, right, I will make a simple construction here parallel to AD, which will pass through the point F. So moving here, let me go for this one. I will make the construction with a different colored line right from F. This is the construction that we have made for our requirement. Now, since this line AD is, and let me name it some point as in G, right? We name it as G. So now, as we can see that AD is parallel to FG, right? So we can simply mark it as parallel. It is parallel to FG, right? So sounds good till here. And if we had already been given an information, this F is a point of AC, as I told you earlier. Now, if we just focus right on the triangle ADC, right, we can simply use by the midpoint theorem, we can simply say that that DG, that G is the midpoint of DC, because FG is parallel to AD, F is the midpoint, so G will be the midpoint of DC, right? So let's mark it as equal, and here also. And I think you can agree with me that if DG measures Y, then GC also measures Y. I think this is pretty simple. Now, here we will do a very basic calculation of algebra. We can easily see that since BC is equal to 16, right? So X plus X, these are the values of BE and ED. then DG, which is y, and GC, which is again y, will be equal to 16. So as a whole, we get that 2x plus 2y is equal to 16 here, which implies that x plus y is 8. That's pretty straightforward. And now if we observe in the diagram, we can see that EG till from here, this one is also x plus y. Now, hence, now we can simply conclude that EG here, sorry, EG, EG is equal to x plus y, and hence it is also equals to 8 units, right? So it's clear to me, right? Now again, since we know that AD is the AD was the perpendicular, it was the altitude, and FG will be equal to half of AD, right? Because of the similarity theorem, or to be exact, it's the midpoint theorem. We can easily conclude this. So now Fg is equal to half of AD, which is 12 centimeter, and it comes out to be 6 units, right? Now, if you clearly observe the triangle E, F, and G, right, we can simply see that F at that angle FGE is 90 degree because it's parallel to the line AD, because FG is parallel to AD, and we can simply say that EG square plus GF square is equal to FE square, right? It's pretty straightforward till here. So EG, as we have already found out that it is 8 units, so let's substitute that value here, which is 8 square. Then GF is equal to 6 square, and now it comes out to be FE square, or which was our intent of the question, or we had to find the EF square, right? So moving ahead to here, we can see that FE square is equal to 64 plus 36, which turns out to be Fe square is equal to 100 units square, and hence Fe is equal to 10 units. So here the question was, we had to find the length of EF. So EF is same as Fe. So the answer is EF is equal to 10 units, right? And this is our answer. So hope you like this question, and hope you like the approach to this solution also. For more stuff like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.